Hi everyone, and welcome to today's tutorial. In this guide, I'll walk you through the Ultimate Affiliate Tracker, a complete automated spreadsheet designed to help you track, manage, and analyze your entire affiliate business efficiently. You can monitor campaigns, track conversions, manage affiliate programs, log payments, and view detailed performance analytics, all in one centralized system. Before we get started, note that some tabs in this tracker are protected. This ensures that all formulas, automations, and summaries continue to work correctly without errors. If you try to edit a protected cell, you'll see a pop-up message. You can choose to proceed by clicking OK or Cancel to keep everything unchanged. These protections are in place to keep your data accurate and your tracker running smoothly, so you can focus entirely on growing your affiliate business without worrying about breaking any calculations. Next, let's move to the Setup tab. This is where you configure the foundation of your affiliate tracker. Start by entering your username, selecting your preferred currency, and setting your income tax rate so all calculations stay accurate. Then add your affiliate networks, list your traffic channels, and define your expense categories. Once this is set up, the entire tracker becomes fully automated and ready to organize your data across all other tabs. Next, let's head over to the Affiliate Programs Log tab. This is where you keep a complete and structured record of all your affiliate partnerships in one place. You can log unlimited programs and organize everything in a clean table that keeps your data easy to manage and fully scalable as you grow. Each program is tracked with key details such as program name, affiliate network, niche, commission type, commission rate, cookie duration, minimum payout, payment method, payment frequency, status, and join date. This setup helps you clearly compare different affiliate programs, understand how each one performs, and keep full visibility over your income structure. It also ensures all your partnerships are consistently organized, making it easier to scale and optimize your affiliate strategy over time. Now let's move to the Campaigns Tracker tab. This tab is designed to help you organize and monitor all your affiliate marketing campaigns in a structured and performance-focused way. You can log unlimited campaigns and keep track of every important detail, while the system automatically organizes and summarizes your data. Each campaign includes key columns such as campaign name, program name, affiliate network, which is auto-filled, traffic source, start date, end date, budget, clicks, impressions, click-through rate auto-calculated, conversions, revenue, return of investment, and status. On top of that, this tab includes automated charts and performance summaries, giving you instant visual insights into how each campaign is performing. This makes it easy to compare campaigns, identify what's working best, and optimize your strategy for better results. Next, head over to the Conversions Tracker tab. This is where you track every single sale or conversion generated from your affiliate efforts in a clear and structured way. You can log unlimited conversions and keep all your performance data organized in one centralized system for full visibility. Each entry includes important details such as program name, affiliate network, date, campaign, product or service name, sale amount, commission type, commission rate, commission amount, payout date, and optional notes. This setup helps you clearly understand where your revenue is coming from and how each conversion contributes to your overall performance. The affiliate network, commission type, commission rate, and commission amount fields are fully automated, ensuring your calculations stay accurate and consistent without manual effort. Next, let's move to the Expense Tracker tab. This tab helps you keep full control over all your affiliate-related expenses in a clear and structured way. At the top, you'll find automatically generated charts and summaries that give you an instant overview of your spending patterns and financial breakdown. You can log unlimited expenses and organize everything using key columns such as date, description, category, affiliate program, affiliate network, amount, status, and notes. This setup makes it easy to track where your money is going, monitor costs across different programs and networks, and maintain a clean overview of your business expenses. The affiliate network field is automatically filled to save time and ensure consistency across your data. Now, head over to the Profit and Loss Statement tab. This tab is fully automated, meaning no manual work is required. It automatically pulls all your data and organizes your financial performance into a clear, structured overview. The sheet is divided into three main sections: revenue, expenses, and profit, giving you a complete breakdown of your affiliate business performance. Everything is also summarized on a monthly basis in a clean and organized layout, making it easy to track how your earnings and costs change over time. At the top, you'll also find automated charts that visually display your performance, helping you quickly understand trends, profitability, and overall business health. Next, let's move to the Link Manager tab. This tab is designed to help you organize, store, and manage all your affiliate links in one clean and structured place. It supports unlimited link entries, so you can log and track as many affiliate URLs as you need without any limitations. Each entry includes key columns such as campaign, affiliate URL, short link, program, and affiliate network. To make things faster and more consistent, the program and affiliate network fields are automatically filled based on your existing data. This ensures accuracy and saves you time when managing multiple links across different campaigns and networks. Now let's move to the Payment Log tab. This tab helps you track all your affiliate payments in a clear and organized way, giving you full visibility over what you've earned, what has been paid, and what is still pending. You can log unlimited payments to keep your records complete and up to date. Each entry includes key details such as program name, affiliate network, amount, payment date, payment method, tax withheld, net profit, status, and notes. This setup ensures your payment tracking stays accurate and consistent without manual calculations, making it easy to understand your real earnings after fees and taxes. Next, let's move to the Content Tracker tab. This tab helps you organize and track all your affiliate content in one structured system, making it easy to manage your publishing workflow and content performance. You can log unlimited content entries to stay fully organized as your strategy grows. Each entry includes key columns such as content title, campaign name, program name, type, publish date, target keywords, status, views, clicks, and notes. This setup allows you to monitor how each piece of content performs over time, track its contribution to your campaigns, and maintain a clear overview of your content strategy. The program name field is automatically filled to ensure consistency and save time when linking content to your affiliate programs. Finally, let's return to the Dashboard tab. This is the main control center of your affiliate tracker and is fully automated, meaning no manual work is required. It automatically gathers data from all your other tabs and turns it into a clear, real-time overview of your entire affiliate business. From here, you can instantly see your key metrics, including earnings, expenses, profits, conversions, and overall performance trends, all updated automatically as you input data elsewhere in the tracker. With clean visuals, summaries, and performance insights all in one place, the dashboard gives you a complete, high-level view of your business so you can make faster, data-driven decisions with ease. And that wraps up our walkthrough of the Affiliate Marketing Tracker spreadsheet. If you have any questions, need extra guidance, or want tips on using the spreadsheet more effectively, don't hesitate to reach out to us. If you found this video helpful, make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.